Alright, imagine this. You're a small business owner, right? You've got the hustle, the vision, the loyal customers. But, like so many others, you hit that wall. You know, the one where you need a serious cash injection to take things to the next level. Maybe it's new equipment, expanding your team, or just smoothing out those seasonal cash flow dips. You're searching, scrolling, asking around, and you keep hearing about these digital banking platforms, the ones promising to simplify everything. And NorthOne keeps popping up. They're all about small business, right? So, you ask yourself, the question that's probably brought you here today, does NorthOne offer business term loans? It's a crucial question, isn't it? Because in the world of small business, access to capital can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. We're bombarded with options, from traditional banks with their mountains of paperwork to these new fintech players with their slick apps and promises of speed. But navigating this landscape is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You want clarity, you want straightforward answers, and you want to know if NorthOne, specifically, is the solution you're looking for. Let's break this down. First, let's establish what NorthOne actually is. NorthOne is a digital bank account built specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. They focus on simplifying financial management, offering tools for budgeting, invoicing, and integrations with popular accounting software. They position themselves as a partner, not just a bank, aiming to alleviate the administrative burden that comes with running a business. Now, the core of their offering revolves around business checking accounts. These accounts are designed to make it easier to manage your day-to-day finances. They provide features like unlimited debit card transactions, mobile check deposits, and the ability to create virtual envelopes for budgeting. They also emphasize transparency, with clear fee structures and no hidden charges. This is all great for daily operations, but when it comes to larger capital needs, like a term loan, the picture gets a bit more nuanced. To directly answer the initial question, as of today, NorthOne does not directly offer business term loans. They focus primarily on their core banking services, which are centered around their business checking accounts. Their strength lies in streamlining everyday financial management, not in providing large-scale lending products. However, it's important to understand the evolving landscape of fintech. These platforms are constantly adapting and expanding their offerings. While NorthOne might not offer term loans today, that doesn't necessarily mean they won't in the future. They've been actively partnering with other fintech companies to provide additional services to their customers. For example, they've integrated with tools that help with invoicing and payment processing, which can indirectly improve cash flow. Furthermore, the need for small business financing is undeniable. Recognizing this, NorthOne has been exploring alternative solutions to help their customers access capital. They've been working on partnerships and integrations that could provide access to other lending options. This means that while they might not be the direct lender, they might be the gateway to other lenders. So, what are your options if you're a NorthOne customer and need a term loan? First, you could explore traditional bank loans. While they can be more cumbersome, they often offer competitive interest rates and longer repayment terms. Secondly, you could consider online lenders. These lenders often have faster application processes and more flexible eligibility requirements, but they might come with higher interest rates. Thirdly, you could look into SBA loans. These loans are backed by the Small Business Administration and offer favorable terms, but they require a strong credit history and a detailed business plan. It's also crucial to remember that your relationship with NorthOne can still be beneficial in the loan application process. A well-managed NorthOne account can demonstrate your financial responsibility and provide valuable insights into your business's cash flow. Lenders often look at your bank statements to assess your creditworthiness, and a NorthOne account can provide a clear and organized record of your financial activity. Another point to consider is the changing nature of fintech partnerships. Many digital banking platforms are increasingly partnering with specialized lending institutions to offer their customers a wider range of financial products. This means that even if NorthOne doesn't directly offer term loans, they could potentially facilitate access to them through their network of partners. Let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for short-term capital, consider invoice financing or merchant cash advances. Invoice financing allows you to borrow against your outstanding invoices, while merchant cash advances provide upfront cash in exchange for a percentage of your future sales. These options can be quicker and easier to access than traditional term loans, but they often come with higher costs. Another alternative is to focus on improving your cash flow management. This can involve optimizing your pricing, reducing expenses, and streamlining your billing and collection processes. NorthOne's budgeting and invoicing tools can be incredibly helpful in this regard. By effectively managing your cash flow, you might be able to reduce your reliance on external financing. It's also worth noting that the definition of a term loan can be broad. Some platforms offer alternative financing options that might not technically be classified as term loans but can still provide the capital you need. These options might include lines of credit, equipment financing, or even crowdfunding. In the end, the best approach is to carefully evaluate your business's needs and explore all available options. Don't rely solely on one source of financing. Instead, consider a combination of strategies to ensure you have access to the capital you need to grow your business. Remember, the landscape of small business finance is constantly evolving. New platforms and products are emerging all the time, and existing platforms are adapting to meet the changing needs of their customers. So, while NorthOne might not offer term loans today, that could change in the future. The key takeaway here is to stay informed and proactive. Do your research, compare different options, and choose the financing solution that best fits your business's needs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek advice from financial professionals. And most importantly, focus on building a strong and sustainable business that can thrive in any economic environment. So, to reiterate, while NorthOne excels in providing streamlined digital banking for everyday business management, they currently do not offer direct business term loans. However, they are actively exploring partnerships and integrations to provide alternative financing options. Your NorthOne account can still be a valuable asset in demonstrating your financial responsibility and improving your chances of securing funding from other sources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.